An automotive power adapter is included. Snap your GPS unit into this automotive mount for easy viewing while you drive. Package weight, 0.49 pounds. Package dimensions, 16.256 liters x 6.096 h x 10. 921 watts centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. All I needed, almost. Geocaching with the new Garmin Oregon makes this kit indispensable for me. I like my GPS stuck to the windshield really solid, and an easy-to-use plug-in to save my batteries. I haven't used the adhesive disc yet, but plan to install it on my truck dashboard for possible solo caching days. This was worth the money. If you geocache, you'll be glad you have it. Geocaching by bike, it doesn't really work for that, so I got a handlebar mount and that completes me.